Hello and welcome to another update video on gold. I'm gonna take a look at the gold spot chart in this video because a lot of you have asked me for an overview of the movement from the 2022 low, and I have taken some time today to check the structures here on the gold chart to see if anything changed, and I've concluded no real changes, which is good. However, what I have done, I have made some micro adjustments and I've updated support levels. And I've added the orange scenario, which is a reasonable alternative. Yeah. So as you can see, there is the thesis that I can make that a bit larger. So there is a thesis that a larger degree wave 4 bottomed here in October 22, circle 4 at the support level here around $1,610 or so. Yeah. And from there, the idea was that we are moving up in 5 waves. So I've been bullish, for a while about gold. Some of you who've been following MCO for quite some time, you guys will remember that I said that, was it 2025? I think so, that 2025 will be the year for the metals. And the metals performed really well, right? Already 2024. And so this is playing out. The thing is, it is not very clear if we are really already in the 5th wave of the 5th wave. So that's why the orange scenario was added. So in the white scenario, what we are tracking is wave 1, wave 2, wave 3, wave 4 is a triangle, wave 5 to the upside. And this wave 5 in the white count should get another 4-5 pattern. The support here on the gold spot chart is between 3,663 and $3,860. So this would be our support zone, our micro support zone for an internal wave 4 pullback. Also, the move to the upside could then unfold and complete the larger degree 5th wave. So one more 4-5 pattern and only a break below $3,663 would suggest that a more meaningful top is in. Surely, this 3rd wave might stretch a little higher. I will have to take a closer look at the futures chart and everything. I will post that on our Discord server later. If you're interested, I've covered, I think, a couple of times today, gold and silver. It comes together with all of the other updates you guys get there. So if you're interested as members of our stocks membership, you also get additional updates on gold and silver. And by the way, also platinum and palladium. These are bonus updates. They have never been included, but I included them already a few months back. So you get these daily updates. So check it out. But I have to take a closer look at the gold futures chart. But I wanted to make this video here because a lot of you have been interested in or have asked for updates about the larger time frame anyway. And I think, honestly, it makes sense to really focus on the bigger picture at the moment, because when the markets are so extended, really tracking the nano levels is kind of, unless you're really trading this very actively. But the thing is, you don't want to, we have a bullish case for gold. You don't want to get thrown out of a trade, like, the trade of your lifetime, just because you have the stop too tight or something. That is something to keep in mind. It's dangerous. If the trend is up, just a break on a 30-minute chart, it does not invalidate the broader thesis. So what happens below 3,663? Well, we would likely enter lower support. Maybe then even the major top has formed already, but I would probably first track this support area here. At least here, the area $3,356, there's a likelihood that the market can find some support there, because I see that without even opening the indicator, because the VRVP, that's the point of control, is exactly there, because there was a lot of trading activity there. So all of the volume is stuck here in this range, yeah? So you can see that these two spikes on the VRVP volume profile indicator, they kind of, are arranged around the lower boundary and the upper boundary of that Fibonacci support area. So I think there could be really some strong support in that area. It's actually good that we have this area because it can provide some support along the way. And so idea is either 4-5, I would prefer that, or if we can't find support in this area up there, larger pullback. This is the pullback in orange, again, in that that's the same wave degree that we were watching already here in this region. Yeah, same wave degree. But at the time, the correction ended quite well. It was a shallow correction, right? So I cannot rule out that this wave 4 will still unfold before we then get an even higher fifth wave, okay? But corrections in the gold market are usually very boring and draining. As you can see here, that wave 4 in 2020 to 2022, also that wave 2 here into the 2023 lows. All these corrections have been quite boring and draining because we get explosive rallies in gold and then long sideways corrections. But anyway, that gives you a good idea of the relevant levels here. And I don't think this gold rally is done, but an internal wave 4 here can happen at any point. It would be normal. That's the update on gold. Hope you enjoyed the update. If you did, please hit the like button, leave a comment, and subscribe. And if you're interested in additional updates, yeah, check out our stocks membership. You get gold, silver updates included as a bonus, and also more or less regular updates on palladium, platinum. I try to include these as often as possible. Just time is the limit here, the limiting factor. But yeah, see you over there. Thanks so much. Bye bye.